Hello, good evening. Myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. I'm a senior advocate and practicing in the district court as well as in NCR court for last 20 more than 26 years. I'm a senior citizen. I'm staying now. I've shifted to Mumbai. Now I'm staying in nearby Boisar. Where I'm staying nearby neighborhood are creating further problems and hurdles for me, and they were just looking into my private and personal life and interfering in my personal and private life without any reason and cause. Even though I don't know who are there, those people are, still they are watching my all activities, whatever are they doing, they are just looking for. The boy in their family was he is very possessive for me, and he is creating hurdles for me, unnecessary torturing me without any reason and cause. They were talking themselves that they want a daughter-in-law like this, where they can find a daughter-in-law working all the household activities as I am doing. I was enjoying their conversation because I thought the conversation they are making is general, because it's happening in all the families where the general conversation are going on, that they think that their daughter-in-law should work properly. But I was very surprised and shocked to know that they were pointing out me. When I heard that they are pointing out me, I shouted that I am a senior citizen lady. If you want to see my date of birth certificate, I can show you, but don't have any kind of expectation from me, because you will be hurted later on. And the boy you were talking about, he is 44-year elder to me, and I'm very senior lady, and he should not think about me like this, because I am just like his mother, and his maybe you can call elder sister also. But instead of listening me, they were making fun of me, enjoying and talking nonsense and creating hurdles in my personal and private life. And even if I am doing something at home, the boy is watching, and he is very bothered about me, what I am doing, what I am not doing. So today also I shouted that if you have any problem, you let me know, so that the problem should be sorted out. If you have any problem, I am a senior citizen lady. We have lot of differences. If you wanted to marry with the lady, you should marry a young lady where you can help your parents, old parents, and enjoy their happy married life. But instead of listening, they are making fun of me. They are sitting outside and getting hurdles for me. So I'm very fear from them, because yesterday also I saw the boy was telling his father that some problem should be created for her. The father said she is an advocate, so if we create any problem, she will be put in consequences, and we will be faced dire consequences related to the court matter. So, being a advocate and senior citizen lady, I am giving my final declaration. If something has happened to me in my house, that for that these people will be responsible. If they create any hurdles for me, the same situation should be arise for them, because the President of India has passed out an order that if a woman's dignity is being reduced to some extent, and he should be penalized, even he should be penalized, that the boy should be not a, he should not put in the jail. Instead action should be taken, and he should be hanged till death. So I am thankful to the President of India, who always take care of the modesty of the woman, and senior advocate, and also the general ladies also, who are in such kind of problem. So if something has happened, these kind of people who are creating hurdles in my life, they should be responsible. And uh, if they don't do this, and it may happen, they can tell anybody else also, that's the great problem for her, and hurt her from any reason. And so that because they are not able to grab me, they wanted to grab me, so they want to take the revenge from me. For taking revenge, they can hire any other party also for kidnapping me, for murdering me, or doing any wrong thing for me. So this is my dying declaration. If something has happened to me, these people should be responsible, because these people has created lot of hurdles in my life. They are interfering in my personal and private life. I am not able to do anything. Today I have a loss of 7,000 rupees and my life also. I was about to die also. But these people doesn't listen to me. They whenever come to home, they create no panic for me. They are sitting in front of my house and they are unknown people for me. I don't know who they are. And they are not showing their right path to me and not showing their uh, current situation so that I should know who they are and I can complain to the police station as well as to the concerned court. So if it is happen, I request the person who is these people will be responsible and suitable action should be taken against them at their cost, risk and consequences of the same could be noted immediately because they are moving around where I am staying. My room is here, just taking around of that, and I am not able to do anything because I have told the society also because I don't have any proof, so I cannot do anything also. If the boy who create any hurdles and problem for me, the immediate action should be taken against them as per law. Thank you so much for listening to me, regard, because these people have created lot of problem for me, unnecessary and hurdles for me, unnecessary where I am not responsible. Even I don't know who they are, and without any reason and cause they are hurting me. Even I don't know. I am not seeing their faces also, but they are after my life. Whenever I told them I am senior citizen, they are making fun of me. They are laughing at me without any reason and cause. And if something happen, I request to the Vishnuji, whenever we met in the Supreme Court, you treat me as your sister. So if something has happened wrong to me, suitable action should be taken against their family as they do for me. Thank you so much. Regards.